What good with? Right now, I'm about to show y'all some shoes that I just worked on, and they are fire. Let's get into it.
I can't even lie, no. I don't wanna lay up with you if you tellin' lies, no. Turned out like the rest of me, there's really no surprise, so I'm living my life, no. Yeah.
Alright, so bam, I had these shoes, right? You know what I'm saying? I had the what they call the Heritage Jordan 1 High Heritage junks that like on sale that's way below retail right now. So I had them, right? I have been wearing them. I like the shoe. I still got another pair on ice right now. Actually, I ain't whoa, but I got another pair. So I went on and made these. Let me turn that down just a little. Just a little. There we go. So I need focus up, camera. But yeah, I made these right here. These Spiderman Jordan 1 highs, man, and I love how they came out, bro. Like, these are cold. I wish I could see them in person, cause like, I mean, they look good on video and in pictures and stuff like that, but man, in person, like, they look amazing. Check out the toe, the fabric that I used on the toe. Shoot, do I need to turn it up? Let me see, y'all need to turn it up a little bit. Yeah, y'all check that out, man. Super proud of how these came out. I had been having this idea for quite some time. Let me get the other shoe for y'all. For quite some time, but I didn't really have time to go ahead and get it done because I, you know, all kinds of orders. I've been doing events, more events lately, and stuff like that. Come on, camera, focus for me. But yeah, I've been doing more, trying to do more events lately, just trying to, you know, get more exposure and get more notoriety and stuff like that within the game. So just building my business as a whole. But I finally got a chance to go ahead and attack these, and I'm so glad that I did, man. They look amazing to me. I want to keep them, but I want to sell them at the same time so I can get them out there for people to see and possibly get more orders for these. I don't know if I will be doing. I might buy some more of them. Actually, I might buy some more and just keep on doing, maybe mass produce them like my boy Steady Hand did with his 90s forces. Shout out to my boy Steady Hand. If y'all haven't checked out his channel, check it out. It is just, I think it's just Steady Hand. Steady like without a Y. It's Steady with an I and then Hand. So y'all check him out, man. My dog cold with it. So yeah, with that, you know what I'm saying, shout out being out the way, gotta show love to my dog. But y'all check out the laces on these, man. I did them different, like they kinda, I don't know, kinda like to where they start bleeding a little bit, cause like I tell y'all how I did. If y'all want me to, I can do a video on it, but instead of just having like the just pure lines on the laces and stuff like that, I kind of like ghosted it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And then I chose the cream on the outer part instead of just that like solid white, just to give it some more character and more contrast with this white sole, because this white sole looks very good and very clean. So I figured that it would look good with that cream on there as well. And keeping the tongue white, I feel like that was key too. And then the white laces, I was gonna put some red ones in there, but I feel like that would have been a little much, you know what I'm saying? It would have been too matchy. So just a little bit of contrast with these white laces, and then y'all see like the details within the cartoon is crazy. Through the spider web on the back of them junk. Come on, bro. We some talented folk right here, man. Squad up, you. But this one, it's a different kind of Spider-Man. You know what I'm saying? Him in action, and then him getting ready for that action. You know what I'm saying? Breaking up out the little, I don't know what he got on. Tuxedo. Look like a vest. But anyway, breaking up out that junk, man. Finna get busy. Finna slide on a villain. You hear me? But yeah, man, I'm super proud of these. Super proud of. I really need a pair for myself. I may keep these. I don't know. If y'all want these, they are slightly used. But if y'all want these, hit me up, man. They're size 10.5. If y'all wanna, if you say you squad, I definitely give you a good price on them. If you do want a pair in your size, just hit me up. They will be $500 a pair. You feel me? I mean, hey, it is what it is, man. My work is crazy, speak for itself, you feel me? So if you want a brand new pair, you know what I'm saying, me to do you a pair or whatnot, yeah, they gonna be $500 a pair. I feel like it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's definitely worth it. You spend $500 on a pair of Jordans that multiple people got. You spend $500 on these. It ain't nobody that got them. At least not yet. You know what I'm saying? Besides me. But anyway, man, I just want to show y'all some of my work and all that good kind of stuff. Just show off just a little bit, man. And provide some more content. All that kind of stuff. I'm trying to keep it rolling, man. Keep pushing for y'all. But anyway, make sure you like the video. And subscribe. Join the squad. You hear me? Finna get up out of here. But y'all make sure y'all like the video. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to hit me up, DM cadet_B7. That's the Instagram. It'll be linked in the description. Don't play with it. But anyway, I'ma catch you in the net.